Hello students, dear students, kindly take out Standard 6 Social Science, Chapter 4, page number 39. Dear students, today we will discuss well-planned drainage system. The drainage system of Mohenjo-daro was so elaborated that such type of system has not yet been found anywhere in the world, in any other city. House drains emptied themselves into the main drain, which ran under the main streets and below many lanes. The people were aware that such drains were not to be left open. They were covered with bricks or stones. Traps and manholes were opened at intervals for inspection. The remains of drains have been found at Banawali. The drainage system shows that the Indus Valley people were very particular and aware about cleanliness and hygiene. Students, see drainage system. The Great Bath. The most remarkable discovery of Mohenjo-daro is the Great Bath. This is found on the citadel in Mohenjo-daro that looks like a special rectangular tank. It resembles a large swimming pool. This tank was made waterproof by a 3 cm thick layer of bitumen. This measures 11.98 meters in length, 7.01 meters in width, and is 2.43 meters deep. There were steps leading down to it from two sides. Also, there were rooms on all sides. They were used as changing rooms. The Great Bath was meant for ritual bathing. Students, see this picture, the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. Storage houses or the granaries. The largest building found in Mohenjo-daro is the granary, which is 45.71 meters long and 15.23 meters wide. The granaries were used for storing surplus grains. They laid very close to the river bank. Students, see this is the storage house or the granaries. Assembly or town hall. There was another building which looked like an assembly hall for the city government or for people to meet. A palace-like building has also been discovered. Some people think it could have been the governor's house. Fire altars. Some cities like Kalibangan and Lothal had fire altars. These were the places where sacrifices might have been performed. This is the picture of fire altars. Houses and streets. The houses of the common people were generally 1 or 2 stories high. Rooms were built around a country yard. Most of the houses had a separate bathroom, a kitchen, and a well. The houses varied from 2 rooms to 20 rooms. In Mohenjo-daro, the main street was over 800 meters long and 10 meters wide. The roads and streets cut each other at right angles. They were rounded at the edges for smooth flow of cart traffic. Houses were built on either side of the roads and streets. Students, see this is the picture, houses and streets of Mohenjo-daro. Okay students, thank you.